Hi there, it's Johnny, and we're into case law updates. We're going to do a G4S depositor case versus Hormsa, a labor court case coming out of Joburg, where a senior manager resigned to join a competitor. On resigning the weekend before resigning, she downloaded over 1,000 confidential documents to an external drive, removed hard copy files, then wiped the logs, and factory reset her company phone. Labour Court made an interim order interdicting a final order and awarding scale C cost against her. So here was not the enforcement of restraint of trade, which we know generally is enforceable if it's reasonable, but here was just the principle of confidentiality of information. So what this case does show us that you don't need a restraint of trade. Confidential information is the company's. You cannot download it and use it in the new company you go to. If you do so, you can be interdicted in respect of utilizing that information, and you can get costs against you. Further to that, you potentially could get damages against you if the company could prove damages. Till next time, Johnny.